quick, short, easy tutorial to create your React app, and I'm going to give a quick introduction of JSX and how to build a React app from scratch with the help of a code. And so you need to download Yarn before doing everything. And here is the so let's make a directory first. Make directory hello world. So I will just create a quick program which just displays hello world. I just want to show how it works, right? So yeah, so let's use this command, create dash react dash app hello world. So it's going to take a little bit of a time, so let me give you a quick introduction how it works. So JSX is pretty much a combination of HTML code inside of a JavaScript. So there's going to be a like JavaScript code is going to render, and you can use HTML like tags like h1 and display like uh, codes over there, and you can use buttons and stuff like that. So it's going to be pretty cool. So it just gives you, let's get back to terminal. So it just says cd hello world and then yarn start. So I'm going to do it, cd hello world and then yarn start, okay? And then you can see it just shows you how our app looks like right now. So it's saying go to edit, source app.js, and save to reload, right? So I'm going to use Visual Studio to code, and let's drag and drop the whole folder there. Let's see what they got, and it's taking a little bit of time. All right, so they're saying go to app.js, and here it is. I can I can edit anything here, and I can, like, let's say write hello. Once I save it, it just updates right away over there. My system is like lagging a little bit right now, but it usually updates pretty fast. There's so many things going on this machine. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, so I'm not going to edit app.js. I'm going to edit index.js because they have this whole, they imported React DOM, and basically you need those two servers over there, and I mean libraries, and we need to put our HTML code inside of React DOM.render. So React DOM.render, basically it's a function. As I said, it returns HTML code and HTML elements, you can say, and the thing you see, documents dot get element by ID, it returns whatever you pass inside of get element, right? So I will show you one example right here. So let's say h1 tag, and let's say hello world inside of it, and as soon as I save it, it should update right away. So here is a error. So you need to put comma over here. So in JSX, you put comma at the end of HTML tag, and it should fix it. And there you go. And it looks pretty good. And let me show you how to create these elements right? So let's create this constant element here. Constant, let's say W is equals to world semicolon, and then constant element is equal to, I'm going to use tag Peter and hello, and here it is. I can mention W or whatever you want to say, world, in brackets here. That's how you mention the the value of variable. And now I just need to display or mention element here instead of this whole thing, right? And it will just run that. So if you want to, let's see how it reacts. I just changed the H1. It worked out. I don't need comma in the middle. Hello world, right? And pretty much, yeah, that's quick introduction how GSIX works and how you can build this quick React app which just displays hello world. And let's watch the next video. Let's see how creative we can get. Thank you very much.